This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. This means that an actual attack has been detected against the United States, and that protective action is required. All residents of the continental United States are advised to seek out a fallout shelter now, and brace for impact. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 40 nuclear missiles from Russia. These missiles are expected to impact the following locations in the next 6 to 8 minutes. Chicago, New York, Houston, Washington, D.C., Boston, Philadelphia, Las Vegas, Seattle, Nashville, Denver, Portland, Atlanta, Detroit, New Jersey, Fargo, Tampa, Salt Lake City, Oklahoma, and San Diego. These strikes are expected to destroy all of our major urban centers. Nuclear missiles have also targeted cities all across the world. A severe and prolonged global climatic nuclear winter will eventually ensue due to high nuclear radiation levels. A nuclear winter is a deadly period of darkness, famine, toxic gases, and sub-zero cold. Average global temperatures are expected to drop between 15 to 25 Celsius after the blast. The combined cooling and enhanced UV would put significant pressures on global food supplies and will trigger a global nuclear famine. Residents who are not in government nuclear fallout shelters are still encouraged to seek a fallout shelter. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Put as much space between you and the outside as possible. Take a battery-powered radio for use during your stay in the shelter. Battery-operated and hand-crank radios will function after a nuclear detonation. Stay inside unless local authorities provide other instructions. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. The broadcast will conclude with the playing of the national anthem.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.